Hello everyone! Today we visited Hunter Valley Sunflower Farm and it was such a fun day trip. On the way there, we passed through the beautiful Morpeth Bridge and also saw a huge farm watering system along the way. The view was honestly so pretty. When we arrived, there was already a long line for tickets, but it was worth the wait because we got our bracelets for the activities. Then, it was finally time for the tractor ride. We sat on the haystacks while the tractor drove through the sunflower farm. My brother was so excited for the ride, he couldn't stop smiling the whole time. The sunflower fields look absolutely beautiful. So of course, we stopped to take lots of pictures around the farm. After that, we went to see the animals. I got to hold some little chicks and rabbits. But honestly, I struggled a bit holding them, but my sister and brother really loved it. Meanwhile, my brother ran straight for the chickens. He really wanted to feed one. He was chasing, and I honestly thought he wouldn't be able to do it. But he did succeed in feeding a goat instead of the chicken. Sadly for me, the goats didn't seem to like me very much. So, after all the fun, we headed back home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog.